Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
This is Alexia Nguyen.
And we are in Evergreen, specifically at the Villages Country Club.
Yes, welcome to 8053 Chardonay Court. This home features 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,123 square feet.
It was built in 1976, but there's lots of upgrades inside.
Yes, it's on the 16 and the 17. Take a look inside.
You've got this beautiful living room right as you enter, and you've got also vaulted ceilings, and you've got the wraparound view of the deck as well as the fairway. There's also a gas fireplace. Now in addition, just a hop away is the dining area. So if you want to have formal dining parties, you have plenty of places to eat and enjoy. Now we are in this amazing kitchen, and one of my favorite features is you've got numerous windows. So you've got a lot of sunlight coming through, even through the sun tunnel. Now in addition, you've got this patio overlooking the deck, which overlooks the fairway.
Yes, I definitely love the panoramic view of number 16 and 17. Sitting here in this lovely eating kitchen with recessed lighting and granite countertop.
You've also got a double oven, so if you're planning a party or cooking for guests, you've got plenty of cooking. You've also got a gas stove.
This lovely master bedroom is conveniently located in front of the deck with the panoramic view.
That means that if you're just in for a lazy day, you can open the patio door, walk outside, and do some sunbathing. So as you can see, we're sitting on the edge of the wraparound deck that borders the property, and this is one of my favorite places to sit because you can see the beautiful lake with all the ducks as well as people passing by on the golf cart.
And on a clear day, you can see forever.
As you can see, I can drive the golf cart directly onto the golf course and even take it to some local events.
I'm sitting here with John and Joy, who are residents of the Villages Golf and Country Club. Why did you move here?
One of the reasons I moved here was for the resources that we have here, the beautiful golf course that we live on. I didn't realize the serenity until we moved here, and I was finishing a job in Burlingame, California, 40 miles north of here. It was the most amazing feeling to drive through our gated community and just feel so relaxed.
That's right.
It's a safe place to walk.
Oh, yes.
It's a safe place. We have not just streets to walk on. I walk our dog Gracie on a trail that's just down the street and up around the pond, and I'm not on city streets. These are all private streets, and they're all maintained by our club association. It is just an unbelievable place to live.
Now we are at the Vineyard Center, which is located next to the property. It features numerous pools and spa. So we are at the Villages Golf and Country Club. Not only can you play golf and swimming, but as you can see, you can also enjoy a nice round of tennis. So we are at the Carrington Center. Now one of the nice things about the Villages is that it has its own post office pickup center. It's also got its own salon and numerous other amenities, including shopping. Now just outside the gates of the Villages is a shopping center featuring most of your desirable amenities such as a cleaner, restaurants, and so much more. So in addition to having its own post office, library, medical auxiliary, and theater, it also has guest rooms, but be aware that these get reserved really fast.
Hi, we're here at the Clubhouse Bistro, which is exclusive for the residents as well as some guests. And it's open 7 days a week, and you can actually host parties here as well.
This is, look at the homemade food at the Villages Country Club.
To the Villages. To the Villages. Cheers. Cheers. This is the lifestyle that you want, and this is the home that you need.
Thank you for taking the tour with us today. Please contact us for a private showing.